Formatting for readability and professionalism. A financial model that works is great, but a financial model that works and is easy for anyone to understand is a masterpiece. Good formatting is not just about making things pretty. It is about clarity, trust, and usability. Therefore, a model must be readable. People should understand it without hunting for formulas. The golden rules of formatting. You should attempt to implement the following formatting rules on your model for readability and use. 1. Color code your cells. This is the single most important formatting practice. It tells users what they can and cannot, or should not, change. You should put all user editable inputs in a single inputs sheet and color them. This makes audits fast. Similarly, keep calculations separate on a calculation sheet, like outputs/dashboards on outputs, using the inputs calculations outputs pattern. You can specifically use the following color coding, blue font, for inputs or hard-coded numbers. These are the assumptions you can change, e.g., price, number of units, cost of materials. Black font, for formulas or calculations. These cells should not be typed over. They react to the inputs. Green font, for links to other worksheets. This shows that the data is being pulled from somewhere else in the workbook. 2. Use clean number formatting. For example, currency, dollar use for monetary values. Use the accounting format to align symbols and decimals cleanly. Percentages, percent symbol, used for growth rates, margins, and inflation. Commas, comma symbol. Use the comma style for large numbers to make them readable. Consistency is key. Decide on your decimal places, usually 2 for currency, 1 for percentages, and stick to it. 3. Structure with borders and fills. Use bottom borders to separate inputs from totals. Use a top and double bottom border for grand totals to signify a final calculation. Use a light-colored fill, like light gray or blue, for headings to help them stand out. 4. Manage the worksheet effectively. Use Excel tables for all lists. Tables auto-expand. Use named ranges for important cells, e.g., USD_NGN, opening cash. Freeze the top row and left columns on long sheets so users will not get lost while scrolling. Protect sheets. Lock formulas and allow users to edit only input cells. Implementing the above formatting principles will help make your model stand out and be useful to users. This is getting more interesting, and you are the one to show that it really matters. Get your hands dirty with the following practice. Activity 3. 1. Go back to the initial Greenleaf data table. 2. Open the inputs sheet, convert the range of assumptions into a table, and name the table TBL assumptions. 3. Create a named range USD_NGN for the USD conversion cell. 4. Change the font color for all the numbers, price, costs, to blue. 5. Format all monetary values with the accounting number format. 6. Make the headings bold and add a light gray fill. 7. Place a top and bottom border on the total monthly calculation cells. 8. If you are new to Excel and could not implement any of the above formatting options, like creating tables and named ranges, indicate in the comment for direction.